Hello everyone, and welcome back to the video tutorials with Libra Computers, where learning is fun. In the previous video, we had learned how to design a table on your web page and how to apply border to it. We will continue today with the discussion of table tag attributes and how to use them. Reviewing the concepts covered in the last session. This is the table that we had designed previously. This is the code that we had worked on. We had specified table tag, table row tag, table heading tag, and table data tag, wherever required. This is the output we received at the end of the session. Today we will modify the same table to get this as the end result. So starting with the code. In this table, we have a new column, subject. Insert a th tag between student's name and marks. Open the page on the browser to see the difference. As you can see, there are two subjects given for one student. Now, inside the first row, we mention only one subject name. The other subject name is given outside, in another tr tag. To get both the subjects inside one row, we need to use the attribute Rowspan. Rowspan is used when you want to merge two rows to form one row. Here we will give Rowspan to serial number, student's name and marks. Outside the closing tag of first row, we start with another row with only the subject name that is to be included in the first row. Save the page and check the output. You will see that both subjects are displayed one below another in the same row. Continue this for all the rows. Follow the same method, that is, Step 1. Mention the first subject after the name of the student. Step 2. Specify Rowspan equals to 2 inside serial number, student name and marks. Step 3. After the first row, start another row, which will contain only the second subject name. Check the output once the data is entered. To mention the main heading, that is, student's record, we mention another TR tag above the field names. Now here, we have to merge the columns in order to get the heading in the center of the table. This is done using the attribute Colspan. Colspan is used when you want to join multiple columns. Specify the number of columns you want to merge inside the attribute. At the end, this is what you get the output. Now to give color to the background, we use the attribute BG color. Set the color that you like. Now, the background color that you set has to be given inside the correct opening tag. For example, if you want to specify the color to the content, student's record, then specify the BG color attribute inside the TR opening tag. If the color that you want is not available directly, then you can search for hexadecimal code of the color on the search engine and mention it in the attribute. Start the color code with hashtag as shown here. Now, if you had to specify the color only for a single cell, then you would have to specify the attribute inside the opening tag of either TH tag or TD tag. Let us specify the color codes for the different opening tag as per what they have shown us in the design. You must make sure that the background color is given to the correct tags. When the page is refreshed, light orange color is applied to the serial number field. Similarly, by applying light yellow color to the student's name, subject and marks field, gives you the final design of the table. With this, we will end the session here, and we'll meet next time again. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.